Hello and welcome back to my channel. You are watching Monetary Value, where we are discussing finance, investment, and government policies. If you are new, again, very warm welcome to you guys. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so we can talk regularly about financial problems. In this introductory course on the share market, it is mandatory to know who is your instructor, what are the qualification and experience. My official name is Ganguly. I prefer to use Aariv Ganguly on social media. I am basically from Rampurhat in West Bengal, India. By profession, I am a senior software engineer and market analyst. I have 6 years of experience in IT field, mostly in full stack development. Beside that, I have 5 years of experience in the share market. I learned share market and other investment from a renowned investment banker in the India. So, folks, whatever I have learned, I want to share with all of you. I will upload all my fundamental analysis, technical analysis, economics for share market, and future and option trading. On this journey, I need your full support and blessings. Thank you so much, guys, for your precious time. We will be meeting in my next videos. Till then, happy investing.